Silver bullet. Yeah baby. Call or text Kevin in our internet department at 435-705-9053. This great 2010 Honda Accord is a great little car. It gives you plenty of geo and won't kill your billfold. J.D. Power and Associates gave the 2010 Accord 4.5 out of 5 power circles for overall initial quality mechanical. Honda engineers have come a long way to design such a nice vehicle that gets such good fuel mileage. Wow! New car test drive said. In this make everyone happy world, few do it better than Accord. All Accords are roomy, comfortable and very easy to live with, largely free of niggling annoyances that can make otherwise good cars less appealing. All have at least a hint of sporty panache. For a stress-free buying experience, call or text Kevin 435-705-9053.